how to make this on CapCut. First, you open your camera app and then you do those motions where you are like pretending to be lasering with your eyes. And then next you open CapCut and you make sure that you create another project and you import that video that you just created. And then I did two videos there. The first video was for the background and the second video was the one that I was going to be editing. So without further ado, let me show you. So what I did on the second video, I rescaled it and I laid it as an overlay. Then I went to the first video that I imported and then I went to search effects. Then I chose blur effects so that my background would be blur, but that's for another video. So for this video, we're gonna focus on making the effects. So I went to my second video and I went to remove background and then I chose auto removal and it did that for me. While the effect was taking place, I went to split the video for the sections where the eyes are doing the things that I loved. Where I wanted to put the effects on, and then I split again another segment, and then I moved a little bit again, and then I split another third segment so that the effects may take place maybe 3 times in a video. Then from there I highlighted the section that I wanted to put the effect on, and then I went to search effects, video effects, and then I search I wrote electronic eyes and it gave me the results. Then when I clicked there, that's what happened. And then I went again to the second segment. I did the same thing. I highlighted the segment and then I went to search effects, video effects, and then I searched for electronic eyes and then I got the effects, and then voila, the results were starting to show. After one part of the edit was complete, I had to do for the other section, but you know what's a video without sound, right? So after, when I was done with the edit, I had to look for the correct sound, you know what I mean, to make the feel, you know, the electric to happen, the lightning and everything. So I added the sound. I went to check for that sound, and then I added some electric shock type of sound, and then yeah, that's how I got the sound that sounds like this, you know. And from there, ladies and gentlemen, you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I know I'm not good at this, I'm still learning, but I'm teaching you as well. So please like, comment, share, follow, tell your friends. We can all be superheroes like Marvel.